For today, I'd like to teach you how to take care of your kidneys. The kidney's job is to help remove various toxins and expel them through the urine. As we grow older, our kidneys will also start to age and weaken. That is why we should protect our kidneys. I will teach you the habits that damage the kidneys and 8 ways to protect it. Number 1, limit your salt intake. The problem with too much salt is that it encourages the body to retain water and can increase your blood pressure. Limit intake of fish sauce, soy sauce, salted fish, instant noodles, and junk foods. If you are fond of eating instant noodles, just place half of the seasoning to limit your salt intake. Number 2, don't eat too much high-protein foods such as meat. Protein makes the kidneys work harder. The best advice is moderation in everything you eat. Eat a balanced diet of rice, vegetables, fish, and fruits. Number 3, keep your blood pressure at 130/80 or lower. The kidneys are safest with a blood pressure of 130/80 or lower. You should limit your salt intake, reduce weight, and take medicines for high blood pressure if needed. For example, if you lose 10 excess pounds of weight, your blood pressure will drop by 5 to 10 points. Keep your blood sugar close to normal levels. Diabetes and high blood pressure are the 2 leading causes of kidney failure. A person with uncontrolled diabetes for 5 to 10 years may develop significant kidney damage. Consult your doctor and keep your blood sugar under control with diet, exercise, and maintenance medicines. Number 5, drink enough water. This really depends on your age and condition. For the average adult, drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water a day is healthy and prevents kidney stones. If you're sweating a lot and work outdoors, you may need more than 8 glasses a day. Number 6, limit intake of pain relievers. Too much pain relievers may cause kidney damage. For those with arthritis, look for other ways to relieve the pain, such as a hot water bag and pain reliever ointments. Do not use these pain relievers frequently. Number 7, be careful with medical tests and procedures using contrast dyes. Some tests like CT scan and MRI and angiograms use a contrast dye which helps doctors delineate and see the organs better. The problem with such dyes is that they might cause some kidney damage, especially those with weaker kidneys. To be safe, I will advise you to consult a kidney specialist first before undergoing such procedures. Finally, number 8, get a kidney checkup. Simple tests such as creatinine and urinalysis can detect kidney disease early. In summary, kidney diseases are expensive and difficult to treat. I want you to be healthy, so follow these tips to protect your kidneys today.